Okay, so your NFTs should now come on to the OpenSea also. As it says that it will take around 5 to 15 minutes. Let's refresh it. I have waited a few minutes and now refresh it again. Okay, now we have 8 NFTs now, and here it is. Okay, great. So congratulations, we have created an NFT website that actually we see as we see others website that it they are also working same like that. They have some additional functions, but more or less the basic feature of any NFT minting website will be like that. So great. uh, do see this video also because it explains all the ABI stuff. Then now let's note this thing. Whenever you change any contract, you need to redeploy again because contracts are immutable, means they are permanent, they can't change. uh, just like any web application, if you just type anything and save it, it will going to reflect it after upload but on server. So it's not like that. You will get a contract address of every smart contract that you have created. So uh, so you have to if you make any changes in the contract, then you have to deploy it and use that new address and new ABI file in your front end application in order to run it correctly. So congratulations, we have done it. Now just move on to final step, finalize and ship it. Now go to next step and see what it says. Okay, give user their OpenSea link. One thing that be awesome, and after the NFT minted, we actually given a link to the NFT on an OpenSea that they'll be able to share the Twitter or with a friend. The link for an OpenSea looks like this. Okay, we can also see the users the link, so they can share it with their others. Their this NFT link that it's actually created, because we know that we got the contract address